If you want to boost your site's revenue and finally take control of where ads appear on your WordPress website, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install, set up, and use the Ad Inserter plugin, one of the most popular and powerful tools for placing ads wherever you need them effortlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to display ads in your content, your sidebars, and even site-wide with just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to get the Ad Inserter plugin installed. So head over to your WordPress dashboard and look for plugins on the left menu. Hover over it and click Add New. In the search bar that pops up, just type in Ad Inserter. It should be the first result you see. It has a black and white icon with brackets. Click Install Now, and once it's ready, that button will change to Activate. Go ahead and activate the plugin. This only takes a moment, but it's an essential start. Without activation, none of the features will work. Now that you've got it installed, let's add your first ad code. Head to the Settings area and click on Ad Inserter. This opens up the plugin's main workspace. You'll notice there are a bunch of numbered blocks at the top. Think of them as slots where you can add different ads. Select one, like block 1 for your first ad. In the large black code editor window, paste in the ad script provided by your network, whether it's AdSense, MediaNet, or even a custom affiliate banner. This is the code that will actually display your advertisement, so make sure it's accurate and complete. Setting up how and where your ad appears is where the magic really happens. Below the code editor, you'll find options to target pages. Here you can check the boxes for posts, static pages, your homepage, basically wherever you want the ad to display automatically. Take a moment to think about your site's layout, for example. If you run a blog, you'll probably want ads inside your posts. Got a landing page you don't want ads on? Leave that unchecked. Next, look at the Insertion Position dropdown. This lets you tell Ad Inserter exactly where to place your ad within the content. Before paragraph is a popular choice. Enter 2 to show the ad after the first paragraph and before the second. This helps integrate ads naturally without breaking up the reading flow. After content pops the ad at the end of every post, which is perfect for wrapping up. In between posts is great if you have a blog roll or archive page and want ads to appear between summaries. Once you've decided, simply click Save Settings so WordPress remembers your choices. Prefer to place ads manually or in your sidebar? Ad Inserter makes that simple too. Go to Appearance, then Widgets. You'll see an Ad Inserter widget. Drag it to your sidebar or any widget-ready area. Choose the same block number you configured earlier, and now that ad will show up in your sidebar. It's a great way to monetize those high-traffic areas like your navigation panel. Last but not least, if you want Google AdSense Auto Ads or a similar tool to handle all the ad placements for you, there's a quick option for that. In Ad Inserter, click the gear icon for general settings at the top. Head to the Header tab, paste your AdSense code, and make sure the Enable button in the corner goes green. This means your auto ads are live and the plugin is injecting your ad code across your whole site, and that wraps it up. With Ad Inserter, you have full flexibility to place ads anywhere on your WordPress site, whether automatically or manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want tips for more advanced setups. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials and guides just like this. Thanks for watching.